Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate DJI Lito X1. So now we are in with RC2 in drone, so we can start flying. But if you didn't fly for a few days or something, if you are planning to today to fly for a whole day, then it's smart thing to do to calibrate your drone. So how you do that? You will see here at the top right corner of the screen of DJI Fly app three horizontal dots. Click on it, and now you will see basically it will open up the menu. You have safety here, but today we are going through control. So now scroll down a little bit and you will find here RC calibration. So click on that. So what we need to do, power off aircraft and calibrate remote controller. So let's power off the drone. Right, so now we will calibrate here our remote controller. So calibration, start. All right, so now as you can see we need to push our, now you can see how we can do that here. This way, and we have also the wheels here. So this is the way how to calibrate. Now we have successfully calibrated our remote controller. So let's jump back into the drone. Now the same thing for the drone. We jump back here to the top right corner on these dots, and you will see here, if we go to the safety, we will get here to the compass normal. So as you can see here, compass normal, and here calibrate. So calibrate. Now we will follow through, so let's do it. So now I need to rotate horizontally for 360, and now vertically like so, and we have successfully calibrated our drone. All right, and this is basically it, how you can calibrate DJI Lito X1. You also have here EMU normal, so we can place aircraft on a level surface and calibrate the aircraft as shown. Only move the aircraft when prompted to the instructions. So now what we need to do is just wait. It will take a few moments. What you need to do is just follow the instruction on your remote controller. So you need to turn the drone, as you can see right here. Now I need to place it like so, and as you can see, when the text is really cool, now it will restart the drone. And this is EMU calibration. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.